Further thunderstorms are expected on Australia's east coast after several states and territories were hit by heavy rain. Some areas in inland North and East Queensland and parts of the east are bracing for more thunderstorms, which could result in flash flooding, hail and damaging strong winds. The Bureau of Meteorology issued a severe storm warning as a cold front moves across the east over the next few days. As NSW and Queensland brace for another wave of storms, the ACT and Canberra are also expected to be hit by severe thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Several videos circulating on social media can be seen showing the seconds when a storm hit a number of areas in Australia in the last few days.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure Goku's just found all 9 Dragon Balls, and Shenron is a bit...
Well, batten down the hatches, Gladstone's in for a storm. Again.
Coastal areas of NSW including Sydney, Wollongong, Newcastle and Brisbane are less likely to experience severe storms, but moderate showers and thunder are still possible. Widespread rainfall of up to 20 to 40 mm is possible, with storm-induced rainfall totals likely to be much higher in the southeast. Further rain is expected to fall on the NSW coast on Saturday and Sunday if the low-pressure system is exacerbated by strong southerly winds.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure Goku's just found all 9 Dragon Balls, and Shenron is a bit...
Well, batten down the hatches, Gladstone's in for a storm. Again.